Hey guys, how's it going? How to restrict messages on iPhone. So make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version by going to the general and then software update. Alright, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back to my screen, go ahead to my browser. If you want to restrict messages on your iPhone, just go ahead to the settings, messages, scroll down to the message filtering, then turn on the filter unknown senders. Alright, so go back to your screen, go ahead to the settings, scroll a little bit down till you find the messages, click on it, and basically scroll a little bit down, you're gonna be able to see, I think it says message filtering. So I'm gonna try to find the message filtering right here. Right, if you find it, just go ahead and do it. Here it says message history, keep messages forever. Yeah, message filtering right here, filter unknown senders, and here sort messages from people who are not in your contacts into a separate list, and then basically, you know, turn on the filter unknown senders. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.